नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल शिक्षा सखा पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ कक्षा 6 की इंग्लिश की पाठ्य पुस्तक का लेसन 15 इला सचानी। इस वीडियो में हम इसकी समरी, हिंदी ट्रांसलेट, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 14 द काइट्स पार्ट की समरी, वर्ड मीनिंग, हिंदी क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं लेसन 15 इला सचानी। यहाँ पर ये पाठ दिया गया है। अगर आप इसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को रोककर पढ़ सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम इसके वर्ड मीनिंग करेंगे। सज्जानी यानी भली या अच्छी लड़की, विद्यालय स्कूल, व्यवहार बर्ताव, सहपाठी साथ पढ़ने वाला, परिश्रमी मेहनती, गुणवान अच्छे गुणों वाली, प्रेरणा उत्साह देने वाली शक्ति, सहायता मदद, अनुकरण अनुसरण या नकल, सेवा भाव दूसरों की मदद करने की भावना। गुणवान अच्छे गुणों वाली, प्रेरणा उत्साह देने वाली शक्ति, सहायता मदद, अनुकरण अनुसरण या नकल, सेवा भाव दूसरों की मदद करने की भावना। अनुकरणीय जिसका अनुसरण किया जाए, शिक्षिका महिला अध्यापक, आदर्श उत्तम उदाहरण, प्रशंसा तारीफ, नियमित रोज आना करने वाला, आत्मनिर्भर खुद पर निर्भर, सहनशील सहन करने वाली, विनम्रता नम्रता या शालीनता, अनुशासन नियमों का पालन, कर्तव्य जिम्मेदारी, प्रेरणा स्रोत प्रेरणा देने वाला, व्यस्त काम में लगा हुआ, संकोच झिझक, व्यवहार कुशल समझदारी से पेश आने वाला, जिम्मेदार उत्तरदायित्व निभाने वाला। अब हम करेंगे इसकी समरी। इला सचानी फ्रॉम मोती बावड़ी विलेज इन भावनगर गुजरात इज known from her vibrant embroidery creations. Despite being born with hands and could not be used conventionally, Ila's mother and grandmother's skill in Kathinwar embroidery taught her to embroider using her feet with determination. Ila mastered threading needles and learned various embroidery styles beyond Gujarat. In Italy, creating design for family and friends, Ila's talent soon gained local admiration and government recognition. Her work was showcased at state exhibitions leading to national acclaim and awards, including the President's Medal. Through her art, Ila not only found financial independence but also inspired others to overcome challenges with perseverance and positivity. Her embroidery craft with her feet exemplify how art transcends physically limitation to touch hearts and souls. अब इसकी हम हिंदी में समरी करेंगे। भावनगर गुजरात के मोती बावड़ी गांव से इला सचनी को उनके जीवंत कढ़ाई कार्यों के लिए जाना जाता है। वे हाथों के उपयोग के रूप में सामान्य तरीकों से उपयोग नहीं किए जा सकने के बावजूद इला की माँ और दादी को काठियावाड़ कढ़ाई में माहिर थीं। उन्हें पैरों का उपयोग करके कढ़ाई करनी सिखाई। इला ने तड़के उठने के साथ तारकों का धागा डालना सीखा और गुजरात से बाहर विभिन्न कढ़ाई शैलियों को भी अभ्यस्त किया। पहले परिवार और दोस्तों के लिए डिजाइन बनाने के बाद इला की प्रतिभा ने जल्द ही स्थानीय प्रशंसा और सरकारी मान्यता प्राप्त की। उनका काम राजकीय प्रदर्शनी में प्रदर्शित किया गया जिससे उन्हें राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर प्रशंसा और पुरस्कार मिले, जिसमें राष्ट्रपति पदक भी शामिल है। इला ने अपने कला के माध्यम से न केवल आर्थिक स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त करने की, बल्कि दूसरों को भी प्रेरित किया कि वे सहनशीलता और सकारात्मकता के साथ चुनौतियों का सामना कर सकते हैं। उनकी कढ़ाई, जिसे उन्होंने अपने पैरों से बनाई है, यह दिखाती है कि कला शारीरिक सीमाओं को पार करके हृदय और आत्मा को छू सकती हैं। अब हम इसकी हिंदी करेंगे। जब आप गुजरात के भावनगर स्थित मोती बावड़ी गांव के एक छोटे से कमरे में प्रवेश करेंगे तो आपको ढेर सारे चटकीले रंग दिखाई देंगे। वहाँ कुशन, बेड कवर, तकिए जैसी कई प्यारी चीजें हैं जिन पर खूबसूरत डिजाइन बने हैं। ईला सचानी एक खूबसूरत महिला जिनकी मुस्कान बड़ी है, ये सब डिजाइन बनाने के लिए चमकदार सुई का इस्तेमाल करती हैं। वह काठियावाड़ कढ़ाई में बहुत कुशल हैं, एक ऐसी शैली जिसमें बहुत कौशल की आवश्यकता होती है। ईला सचानी का सफर गुजरात के अमरेली के शांत वातावरण में शुरू हुआ, जहां उनका जन्म एक किसान परिवार में हुआ था। शुरू से ही जीवन में अपनी चुनौतियां पेश की। क्योंकि ईला के हाथ बगल में लटके हुए थे, दूसरे बच्चों के विपरीत वे अपने हाथों का इस्तेमाल सामान्य तरीके से नहीं कर सकती थी, जबकि दूसरे छोटे हाथ रेत पर आकृतियां बना रहे थे या जंगली फूल तोड़ रहे थे। ईला सोचती थी कि वह उनके साथ क्यों नहीं जुड़ सकती। वह भी अपने हाथों में चाक पकड़कर स्लेट पर आकृतियां बनाना चाहती थी। ईला की माँ और दादी ने छोटी बच्ची का उत्साहवर्धन किया और उसकी चुनौतियों से पार पाने में उसकी मदद करने के लिए पूरी तरह समर्पित रहीं। वे काठियावाड़ कढ़ाई की पारंपरिक कला में पारंगत थीं और उन्होंने ईला के साथ इस कला को साझा करने का निश्चय किया। उन्होंने उसे कई तरीके से अपने पैरों से खूबसूरत डिजाइन बनाना, यह निश्चित रूप से कोई आसान काम नहीं था, लेकिन ईला ने दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ इस चुनौती को स्वीकार किया। उसके माता पिता ने भी उसे पैरों से काम करना सीखने में मदद की, जैसे खाना खाना और बालों में कंघी करना। दृढ़ संकल्प और इच्छा शक्ति। नंबर 4, सुई में धागा डालना मुश्किल था, लेकिन ईला ने हार नहीं मानी और कम उम्र में ही इसमें माहिर हो गई। उसके छोटे भाई बहन ने भी उसकी मदद की। उसने कई शैलियाँ सीखी, यहाँ तक कि गुजरात के बाहर भी कच्छी, कश्मीरी, लखनवी और अन्य। उत्साहित। नंबर 5, ईला के लिए कढ़ाई खुद को अभिव्यक्त करने का जरिया बन गई। शुरुआत में वह सिर्फ अपने परिवार और दोस्तों के लिए ही बेहतरीन डिज़ाइन बनाती थी, जो उसकी प्रतिभा से दंग रह जाते थे। वे उन डिज़ाइनों के बारे में दूसरों से बात करते थे। जल्द ही गांव के लोगों को भी ईला के इस विशेष कौशल का पता चल गया और उसके काम की प्रशंसा फैलने लगी। विस्मित चकित। नंबर 6, सूरत के सरकारी कार्यालय तक बात पहुंची। वे ईला की कहानी से बहुत प्रभावित हुए और उसके काम से प्रभावित हुए। उन्होंने ईला की कढ़ाई के कुछ नमूने एक राजकीय प्रदर्शनी में प्रदर्शित करने का फैसला किया। इस अनुभव ने ईला के लिए नए रास्ते खोल दिए। लोगों ने उसके पैरों से बुनी हुई खूबसूरती देखी और खुशी खुशी उसकी कलाकृतियां खरीद ली। ईला अब कोई छिपी प्रतिभा नहीं, बल्कि मशहूर हो चुकी थी। इस लोकप्रियता से उत्साहित होकर ईला ने न केवल राज्य स्तर पर बल्कि राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर भी अपने प्रदर्शनियों में भाग लिया। उन्हें न केवल उनकी कला के लिए बल्कि उनके काम में दिखाई देने वाली इच्छा शक्ति और रचनात्मकता के लिए भी कई पुरस्कार और सम्मान मिले। ईला सचानी, जो कभी एक किसान की बेटी थी और जिन्होंने कड़ी चुनौतियों का सामना किया, ने कड़ी मेहनत की और एक प्रतिष्ठित कलाकार और राष्ट्रपति पदक प्राप्त किया। ईला के लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव का नई आज़ादी थी। अपने कौशल के माध्यम से उन्होंने न केवल नियमित आय अर्जित की, बल्कि अपने पसंदीदा काम में आनंद भी पाया। उन्होंने अपनी रचनाओं के माध्यम से साबित किया कि ध्यान, कड़ी मेहनत, सकारात्मकता और कभी हार न मानने से चुनौतियों को जीत में बदला जा सकता है। उनके पैरों से बनाई गई कढ़ाई हमें याद दिलाती है कि कला में भौतिक सीमाओं से ऊपर उठकर आत्मा को छूने की शक्ति है। अब हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। लेट अस डू दीज एक्टिविटीज बिफोर वी रीड पेज 151। क्वेश्चन 1, लुक एट द गिवन पिक्चर एंड इंफॉर्मेशन, डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस विद योर टीचर एंड क्लासमेट्स। A, do you think Pranav's task is simple? Why or why not? Answer, no, Pranav's task is not simple. He had to face many obstacles during his life journey. Although he excels as an artist, singer, and para sports person, despite being born without both hands and the challenges he faced are significant, there are simple tasks that can be easily performed by any physically fit person, but such tasks which are performed with hands required Pranav to develop unique methods and techniques. His achievements highlights his extraordinary determination, creativity and resilience in overcoming physical limitation. How does Pranav's special ability make you feel? Answer. Pranav's special abilities are inspiring and inspiring. They demonstrate the incredible patented to human adaptability and perseverance. His accomplishments echo a sense of admiration and respect for his dedication and courage to excel despite significant challenges. See, what qualities do you think were important for Pranav to become successful? Answer. The qualities which are important for Pranav success are willpower, a strong will to overcome obstacles and persist through difficulties, creativity, finding innovation way to perform tasks typically done with hands, determination, strong determination is needed to strive towards goal. Patience, the perseverance to practice and refine skill over time. Optimistic approach, maintain a positivity outlook despite challenges. What message does Pranav's story give us? Answer है Pranav's story gives us a powerful message that physical limitations do not define one of capabilities of ponytail. It emphasizes the importance of resilience, innovation, and a positive attitude in overcoming challenges. His journey inspires others to pursue their dreams and not to be deterred by difficulties. Question 2. Look at the picture 2. Kathiawad embroidery discussed in pairs. A. List the steps you think are needed to create his embroidery. Answer. Sketching the design on fabric, to choosing the appropriate thread and colors. 3. Stretching and securing the fabric in a frame or hoop, or using various embroidery techniques to create the design. 5. Tying off threads and adding final touches. 6. Washing and ironing the finished piece. We discuss if these steps can be done with feet instead of hands. Answer. Theoretically, these steps can be done with feet, but it would require immense skill, practice, and adaptation. Using feet for intricate tasks like threading needle and pressing stitching would be particularly challenging. See, what effects would be needed if someone has to embroider with their feet? Do you think it is possible? Answer. Effort needed would include training and practice, extensive practice to develop dexterity and control in the feet. Special tool, custom tools are adaptations of facilitate tasks typically done with hands. Patience and persistence, continuous effort and patience to master the techniques. Physical adaptation, strengthening and conditions the feet of handle detail work. While challenging, it is possible with determination, innovative approaches and adaptive techniques. Example like Pranav's achievements show that individual can accomplish remarkable feats despite physical limitations. Let's discuss page 151. 55. Read the paragraph and write the main idea for each, then match the main idea with the two supporting details. आंसर है यहाँ पर नंबर 1, इंट्रोडक्शन टू इला सचानीज कलरफुल एम्ब्रॉयडरी. यहाँ आएगा एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड थिंग, ही इज यूज ऑफ शाइनी नीडल. 2. अर्ली चैलेंजेस एंड फैमिली स्पोर्ट्स. इसमें आएगा इला स्ट्रगल टू बैलेंस हर पैशन एंड ड्यूटीज. Her family encouraged her. Number 10. Developing embroidery style. Different stitches and patterns, traditional motifs. 4. Selling locally. Sale in local markets and popularity through word of mouth. 5. Expanding market. Orders from neighboring cities used social media to attract customers. Recognition at a state exhibition. Display at a state level exhibition won on award. 7. Training more women. Organized workshop. More women gained skill. 8 and 9. Financial independence. Financial independence and joy. Challenges can be turned into victories. Let us think and reflect. Page 156, question 1. Read the following lines and answer the questions that flow. Unlike other children, she could not use her hand in the usual way. While other small hands drew figures in the sand or plucked wildflowers, she wondered why she could not join them. She too wanted to hold a chalk in her hands and draw figures on a slate. Choose the correct option in the fill in the blanks. Unlikely other children means that Ella was different. B. What could Ella have felt when she could not join others in things they did? Answer है Ella felt that was why she could not play with them. She also draw with chalk when others can do it. C. Complete the following with a suitable reason. Ella could not draw figures on the slate because she was born with her hands hanging loose by her sides. Question 2. What creative ways did Ella and her family use to overcome the challenges she faced? Answer. They taught her to create many beautiful patterns using her feet despite her physical challenges. Question 3. How did new independence help Ella? Answer. The new independence Ella achieved through her embroidery skill not only transformed her economy status but made her happy and proud as well. Question 4. Why was the first state exhibition an important event in Ella's life? Answer. The first state exhibition was a pivotal moment in Ella's life as it not only showcased her talent but also opened doors to new opportunities, enhanced her reputation, and contributed to her personal and professional growth. Question 5. What does the sentence arts has the power of rise above physical boundaries and touch the soul tell us about the power of art? Answer. The sentence tells that art is not merely decorative and entertaining but holds the performed ability of transcend physical culture and temporal barriers, connecting humanity on a deeper emotional level. Question 6. How can be helpful and encouraging like Ella's family and friends when someone faces challenges? Answer. We must offer encouragement and remind them that setbacks are a part of life and can be overcome with time and efforts. Question 7. How can Ella's story help others to overcome challenges in their lives? Answer. Through her journey, Ella discovered her talents, gained independence, and found fulfillment in doing what she loved. Her story encouraged others to explore their own interests, strengths, and abilities as a pathway of personal empowerment. Let us learn page 156. Question 1. Read the following from the text given in column A, then try to understand what they mean by reading the sentences in column B. Now match the word to its correct synonym in column C. There are 2 extra synonyms given. You may refer to the dictionary. यहाँ पर 4 कॉलम दिए गए हैं. पहला teeny. The garden was teeny but the park was really big, silent and small. अगला है वंडरफुल, द वंडरफुल आर्ट वर्क मेड एवरीवन क्लैप, वर्क एंड फंटास्टिक। आगे है क्वाइट, द क्वाइट लाइब्रेरी वॉज ए बेटर प्लेस टू स्टडी देन द नॉइज क्लासरूम, इसमें है हैप्पी स्मॉल एंड साइलेंट। आगे है टास्क, कंप्लीट द साइंस होमवर्क वॉज ए चैलेंजिंग task as it had made many questions difficult, fantastic and work। आगे है दो, be overcome if we try sincerely, dangerous and difficult। Question 2, unscrimmable and antonyms of the word in column A, an example has been given to you, example display, use the antonym इन सेंटेंसेस ऑन योर ओन। आंसर पहला टिन्नी, इसमें आएगा हग। बी वंडरफुल, इसमें आएगा टेरिबल। सी क्वाइट, इसमें आएगा नॉइजी। डी टास्क, इसमें आएगा पास्ट टाइम। ई का दो, इसमें आएगा इजी। क्वेश्चन 3, रीड द सेंटेंस फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट एंड फोकस ऑन द हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स। यू विल सी लॉट्स ऑफ ब्राइट कलर्स, देयर आर मैनी लवली थिंग्स लाइक cushions and bed covers. They taught her to create many beautiful patterns using her feet. She learned many styles. She received many awards. A. The highlighted word tell us about the quantity. Choose what the words show. Unmaintained quantity, large quantity. Answer है the highlighted words are lots, many, many. Many, these words indicate a large quantity. B. Let us now understand what words of quantity tell us. Fill in the blanks to complete an example for each word of quantity. Hints are given in the brackets. Now create two sentences for each word of quantity as share them with your teacher and classmates. Number 1, we saw 10 buses on the road. Countable noun. Second, how much milk do you want? Uncountable noun. 3, there is more milk needed. Uncountable noun. 4, I need 2 examples. Countable noun. 5, I have less energy left. She picked many flowers. Countable and uncountable noun. 6, I ate more rice. Uncountable noun. Sentence 4, each more of quantity, many. We saw many birds flying in the sky. There are many books on the shelf. Much. How much sugar do you need for the recipe? There is not much time left to finish the project. Some, I need some help with my homework. Can you give me some advice on this matter? A few. I have a few friends coming over the dinner. There are only a few cookies left in the jar. Little and some. I have little patience for redness. She has some experience in teaching. Some, I ate some pasta for lunch. There is some water in the bottle. Let us listen page 158. Ira Sachani embroidering dreams with her feet. Hello everyone. I am here today to share some simple information about Kathiawar embroidery. This is a very old form of embroidery. It uses many bright colors and also uses many types of stitches. Like the chain stitch, the embroidery is commonly seen on clothes and home decoration items. On clothes, it is seen on children's cap, ghagra, skirts, and men's traditional shirts. In the embroidery, a lot of mirror work is done by fitting some small mirrors along with the stitches. Most commonly, the designs used are geometric shapes and like square and triangles. The design of flower is also used. There is much more to share, but I will do that some other time. Thank you. You will listen to the audio and narration once again. As you listen, check your answer. You will listen to a talk about Kathiawar embroidery. As you listen, circle the correct options. A. Form old, new. इसमें आंसर है ओल्ड पे हम गोला लगाएंगे. बी. कलर सॉफ्ट ब्राइट. इसमें हम ब्राइट पर गोला लगाएंगे. इसमें स्टिच रनिंग स्टिच चेन स्टिच. इसमें हम चेन स्टिच पर गोला लगाएंगे. डी में सीन ऑन चिल्ड्रंस कैप पैंट्स. इसमें हम चिल्ड्रंस कैप पर गोला लगाएंगे. ही थिंग्स यूज स्मॉल मिरर शेप्स ऑफ बटन. इसमें हम स्मॉल मिरर्स पर गोला लगाएंगे। F. डिजाइंस एलिफेंट एंड हॉर्स स्क्वायर्स एंड ट्रायंगल्स, इसमें हम स्क्वायर्स एंड ट्रायंगल्स पर गोला लगाएंगे। लेट अस स्पीक पेज 159 इन पेयर्स। Write down two questions you would like to ask Ila Sachani. A. Look at two examples. Where were you born? Did you go to school? The yes no question use a rising tone at the end. B. Speak the example question aloud as a peer activity at least 5 times. C. Now take turns to ask your question to another classmate. Speak clearly and with the correct rising tone and shown in. Answer. Hey, here are two questions I might ask Ila Sachani. How did you learn to use your feet on your embroidery? Did you ever feel like giving up? How did you stay motivated? B. This is an activity, so do yourself in the presence of your teacher. C. This is an activity, so do it yourself. Let us explore page 159, question 1. Does anyone in your family and neighborhood do embroidery? Find out what type of embroidery they do and how they learned it. Answer. Family or neighborhood embroidery. Ask around in your family and neighborhood if anyone does embroidery. If you find someone, ask them these questions. What type of embroidery do you do? How did you learn it? Can you show me some of your work? Question 2. Try a simple stitch on cloth with the guidance of a family member. Answer. With the help of a family member, try a simple stitch on a piece of cloth. Here are basic guide. Choose a piece of fabric and embroidery needle. Select a thread color you like. Thread the needle and tie a knot at the end of the thread. Try a simple stitch like the running stitch. Insert the needle from the back of the fabric to the front. Make a small stitch by inserting the needle back into the fabric a short distance away. Continue making evenly spaced stitches along the line you want to embroider. Question 3. Visit the given link to find out about embroidery type from different parts of India. Share with your teacher and classmate which one you liked most and why. Answer. Research different embroidery type in India. Go online and look up different type of embroidery from various part of India. Swan family type include Fulkari Punjab, known for its bright color and floral motifs. Kantha West Bengal, characterized by simple running stitches and motifs of animals, flower and geometric shapes. Chicken curry, Uttar Pradesh, famous for delicate and intricate patterns, usually done on lightweight fabrics. Jardozi, Lucknow, known for its rich and elaborate embroidery using gold and silver threads. Kutch embroidery, Gujarat, recognized for its bold and colorful design, often incorporating mirrors and beads. अब हम इसके मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 1. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टाइल्स ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी डिड इला सचानी लर्न? ए. ओनली काठियावाड़. बी. काची, कश्मीरी, लखनवी एंड अदर्स. सी. ओनली काची एंड कश्मीरी. टी. ओनली लखनवी. इसका सही आंसर है बी. काची, कश्मीरी, लखनवी एंड अदर्स. क्वेश्चन 2. What impact did Ila Sachani's participation in state exhibition have on her? A. She became discouraged and stopped working. B. She gained popularity and started selling her creations. C. Received criticism for her work. D. She decided to stop participating in exhibitions. इसका सही आंसर है B. She gained popularity and started selling her creations. Question 3. What award did Ila Sachani receive from her work? A. State Award. B. Nation Award. C. President's Medal. D. Artist Excellence Award. इसका सही आंसर है C. President's Medal. Question 4. What did Ila Sachani prove through her creations? A. That art in financial investment. B. That challenges can be turned into victories with focus, hard work and positivity. C. The traditional craft and outdated. D. That fame is the ultimate goal of art. B. That challenges can be turned into the victories with focus, hard work and positivity. Question 5. What does Ila Sachani's embroidery remind us of? A. The importance of physical boundaries. The need for more exhibitions. C. The power of art or to rise above physical boundaries and touch the soul. D. The simplicity of traditional art form. Answer C. The power of art to rise above physical boundaries and touch the soul. Question 6. How did Ila Sachani's skill impact her personal life? A. It led to financially instability. B. It provided her with a regular income and joy in work. C. It caused her to move to another country. D. It led to increased family conflicts. Answer B. It provided her with a regular income and joy in her work. Question 7. What was the initial reaction Sachani's family and friends to her embroidery? A. They were indifferent and untrusted. B. They were awe-struck and impressed by her talent. C. They discouraged her from countering. D. They were critical of her designs. इसका सही आंसर है बी. They were awe-struck and impressed by her talent. Question 8. How did Ila Sachani work gain wider recognition? A. Through a local competition. B. By word of mouth and exhibition. C. By publishing a book on embroidery. D. Through a TV reality show. Answer है B. Question 9. What material is used in the Dhokra metal craft practiced by Priyanjan tribe? A. Copper. B. Brass. C. Gold. D. Silver. इसका सही आंसर है B. Brass. Question 10. What is the main purpose of coconut shell craft described by Chitra? A. Making large furniture pieces. B. Creating biodegradable household items and jewelry. C. Producing metal figure. D. Building tools and utensils. Answer B. Fill in the blanks. Ila Sachani's journey began in the quiet eating of the Amereli, Gujarat. Ila was born with her hands hanging loose by her sides, making it difficult for her to use them in the usual way. Number 3. Ila's mother and grandmother were skilled in the traditional art of Kathiawad embroidery. Number 4. To overcome her physical challenge, Ila learned to create beautiful patterns using her feet. 5. Threading a needle was hard for Ila, but she did not give up. Became an expert at a young age. 6. He learned many styles of embroidery, including Kachi, Kashmiri, and Lucknowi. 7. At first, Ila crafted fine design only for her family and friends. 8. Ila's work gained recognition when the government office in Surat displayed her embroidery at a state exhibition. 9. The success of her exhibition led to participation in more exhibitions both within the state and at the national level. 10. Ila Sachani received many awards and honors for her art, including her President's Medal. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Ila Sachani was born with fully functional hands, allowing her to easy engage in traditional activities. False. Number 2. Ila Sachani learned Kathiawad embroidery from her mother and grandmother, who were skilled in the art form. True. 3. Ila Sachani used her hand to create beautiful patterns in her embroidery work. False. Number 4. Despite her physical challenge, Ila Sachani became an expert in embroidery by using her feet. True. 5. Ila Sachani's family did not support her in overcoming her physical challenges. False. 6. The government office in Surat displayed some of Ila Sachani's embroidery at a local exhibition. True. 7. Ila Sachani only showcased her embroidery within her village and never participated in any large exhibition. False. 8. Ila Sachani received several awards and honors for her embroidery and her perseverance including the President's Medal. True. Number 9. Ila Sachani's work was limited to local appreciation and did not reach any wider audience. False. Number 9. Ila Sachani's work was limited to local application and did not reach any wider audience. False. Number 10. Ila Sachani's story demonstrates that challenges can be overcome through determination and creativity. Answer true. तो यहाँ पर हमारा लेसन 15 पूरा हो गया है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 16 नेशनल वॉर मेमोरियल पार्ट की हिंदी वर्ड मीनिंग, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाऊंगी. आपको मेरी ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.